Alright, Assembly Dojo, Tag 11, go on green. Make the ball go when a single turns green. Will you want to create a trigger based on the state of another object? You have to use a switch. Think of an object switches as the way of giving information to the rest of the game. Such as other objects or win conditions. With animate switch space triggers, there's one thing you have to be careful about. The difference between switch turns on and switch is on. Switch turns on is a trigger that activates the instant it's turned on. Where switch is on creates a trigger that is continuously activated the entire time the switch is on. In this type of signal problem, you won't want to use switches on, since that will create a trigger that remains continuously activated after the light turns green. The trigger when they try to continuously change the art, and you will be stuck on the first cell of the art without animating it.